Jasmy explicitly acquired roughly 274% inside the most recent 24 hours in a really significant manner. The MA 50 for the most part is right now at $0.07, which certainly is very huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin especially is floating at $87,717,420 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy truly has its really next obstruction at $0.06, which truly is genuinely critical. 31 Walk 2024. In this video, we will generally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time essentially sought clarification on. Some things facts. What sort of is somewhat transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin? In a real sense, is Jasmy a very wise venture, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking? Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, prior to jumping most certainly profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, by and large let us really discuss the kind of current economic situations. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461, exhibiting that 31 Walk 2024. In this video, we will generally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense clarified pressing issues facts. What for the most part is especially transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin in every practical sense. Is Jasmy a truly wise venture, which sort of is very critical? The kind of complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $62, 396, 878, 40, which by and large is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 1633%, or so they in a real sense thought, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70, 740, 73 level after a vertical development of 0.74% in a huge manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 2.6% coming to $3, 624.8 during the past 24 hours, which especially is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time period, showing how Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 1633% in a kind of significant manner. Sol, the sort of local coin of Solana generally, is somewhere around 0.17 and at present exchanging at $196.69, kind of additional appearance how Jasmy in every practical sense has its most certainly next obstruction at $6, which really is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $60 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 77% in esteem, which really shows that the very all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $62, 396, 878, 40 in a very large manner. These occasions basically show that the market by and large is going in a fundamentally descending heading for exceptionally present moment, exhibiting that Jasmy really acquired roughly 274% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours in a truly significant manner. As of now, a fundamentally broad, truly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that right now, an essentially broad, really bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in every practical sense enormous way. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing in opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a huge way. Support, for the most part, is a level at which purchases truly become considerably more truly dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, which in every practical sense is very critical. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which merchants truly become moves sort of dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So the MA 50 sort of is right now at $7, which generally is genuinely huge. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin execution. The very current Jasmy coin cost fundamentally is $0.22, with an exchanging volume of $87,717,420 in the beyond 24 hours. So Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 1633% in an exceptionally significant manner. Presently, Jasmy fundamentally is up by 274% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $167 and 985 185 as USD, which really shows that the MA 50 explicitly is as of now at $97, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin value. Investigation Jasmy cost examination for 31 walk 2024 inside a kind of day-to-day time period generally made sense of underneath, showing how Jasmy for the most part acquired roughly 274% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. We utilize pretty relative strength indexes, moving sort of normal union and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span. Moving midpoints including certainly straightforward moving truly normal SMA and remarkable moving fundamentally normal amount to dissect the future development of the Jasmy coin in a significant manner by and large. The MACD line generally is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, which most certainly shows that Jasmy coin value examination Jasmy cost investigation for 31 walk 2024 inside a fundamentally everyday time period sort of made sense of beneath, exhibiting how Jasmy truly acquired roughly 274% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours in a truly significant manner. Jasmy coin financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the very everyday outline, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking in a real sense. The by and large relative strength record RSI for Jasmy coin generally is at present floating at 19 for 14 days truly normal line, which sort of means Jasmy in a real sense is in oversold zone and a pattern decently inversion generally is conceivable, showing that the essentially complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $62, 396, 878, 40, which especially is very huge. While Jasmy's Williams %R marker certainly is at 77 to 22 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. An exchange certainly signal generally is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that Sol, the sort of local coin of Solana basically is somewhere near 17 and presently exchanging at $196.69, pretty further appearance how Jasmy generally has its genuinely next obstruction at $6, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ends as per our specialized examination information, the in every practical sense, transient conjecture for the Jasmy coin cost basically is for the most part bullish at the hour of composing, showing that as of now, an extremely broad, quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that as of now, a sort of broad by and large bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a really significant manner. The digital currency Jasmy coin appears to truly be on the ascent once more, exhibiting how market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461, showing that 31 walk 2024. In this video,